We're going to be going over a couple features here found on the IQ panel. You'll notice the small Liberty symbol up here in the top right hand corner. By clicking on that, it's going to bring up three different options that we can look at. The first one here is going to be the Contact Us. It will display Liberty's number and also our website. The middle option here is going to be the Video Tutorials. This has a couple built-in videos to go over some of the features found here on your IQ panel. We also have on the right Messages, Alerts, and Alarms. By selecting this, we'll be able to see any current issues being reported by the panel. Right now, we're just going to tamper a door. That will pop up here. Now, by putting the cover back on the door, we still must acknowledge the tamper. So by clicking the Acknowledge All, selecting OK, we'll remove the notification. And to get back to the home screen, simply press on the background, and you're all set.